Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube video channel We Like Anatomy. I am Professor Dr. Muhammad Ashfaqur Rahman. This is the explanatory anatomy session and this is the session 4. Today my topic of explanation is why does the upper part of the face escape in upper motor neuron lesion of facial nerve? Face has 23 muscles which are called muscles of facial expression, and all of these muscles are innervated by facial nerve from its main motor nucleus, which is located at pons. Some muscles are located at the upper part of the face, some muscles are located at the lower part of the face. The muscles which are located at the upper part of the face are innervated by the neurons, some neurons, and the muscles which are located at the lower part of the face are innervated from other neurons of the facial nucleus. The muscles of the upper part of the face, these are innervated by this neuron. It is controlled by cerebral cortex of both sides. It is controlled by cerebral cortex of both sides. Again, on the opposite side, this is also same thing. This neuron is controlled by cerebral cortex of both sides. But the muscles which are located at the lower part of the face, they are controlled by other neurons of the facial nucleus. And these neurons are controlled by cerebral cortex of opposite side only. So this control is only contralateral control from the opposite side. This neuron control the muscle of the lower part of the face. It is controlled by opposite cerebral hemisphere. Similarly, this neuron which control lower part of muscles of the lower part of the face, which this is controlled by opposite cerebral hemisphere. Now, what will happen in case of lesion? If there is supranuclear lesion or upper motor neuron lesion like this one, then what will happen? Let us see. First of all, this neuron will be damaged, this pathway will be damaged, and this neuron controlled the neuron of the facial nucleus which innervate muscle of the upper part of the face. But this neuron is also controlled from the same-sided cerebral cortex. So ultimately nothing will happen to this neuron. Then this neuron, this fiber is also damaged, and this fiber controlled the neuron of this neuron which innervate the muscle of the upper part of the face. But this neuron is also innervated from opposite cerebral cortex. So ultimately nothing will happen to the muscles of upper part of the face in case of supranuclear or upper motor neuron lesion. What is the cause? Because of bilateral control. These muscles have bilateral control. They are controlled from both cerebral hemisphere. So only unilateral upper motor neuron lesion will not produce in a paralysis of these of the muscles of the upper part of the face. But what will happen to the lower part of the face? This is the neuron, this is the fiber or neuron which control a neuron of the facial nucleus which innervate muscles of the lower part of the face. And this control is only one-sided, that is contralateral. So as this fiber is damaged, there is no stimulation of this neuron. Ultimately, lower part of the muscle of the lower part of the face will be paralyzed. So what is actually happening? Another thing in case of the lower motor neuron, that is in case of lower motor neuron, this fiber is also damaged, which control the muscle of the upper part of the face. So ultimately, same-sided muscle of the upper part of the face will also be paralyzed in case of lower motor or infranuclear lesion of the facial nerve. So the main difference is here that in case of upper motor neuron lesion, only muscles of the lower part of the face of opposite side will be paralyzed. Upper part of the face escape due to bilateral control. But in case of lower motor neuron lesion or infranuclear lesion of the facial nerve, both upper and lower part of the face, that is both muscles of the upper and lower part of the face of same side, not opposite side, will be paralyzed. So due to bilateral cerebral control, muscles of the upper part of the face escape in upper motor neuron lesion of facial nerve. This is my explanation. Thank you for watching me, and please subscribe my channel We Like Anatomy. Take care and goodbye.